Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about the card visual in Power BI, so let's start. I've got this file open here with me and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I'll leave a link to the file name and the location or the GitHub repository name in the video notes. You can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So in this visual we'll focus on the card visual. I'll just click on the card visual and you can see it's giving me a certain the card visual, it doesn't have anything at the moment. And a card visual is basically a one measure visual. So what does that mean? It means that it basically talks about one measure. Mostly any other visual will have like values trending against a dimension or multiple measures. This one just shows us one measure, but it's a really good one if you want to focus on certain values. For example, let's say I've got some actual amounts and I just want to highlight that this is what I've sold so far. This is a great visual. So I will go and put in the actual amount here, and it's showing me that my total actual sales have been 1130 so far. And I could go and format it by clicking on the format tab. I'll just change the color for now, and I'll select this. And it's like you can see the gauges on top of that is showing me the amount, and the same is getting showed by the card visual. But what I could also say is this is what has been achieved so far. So vis-a-vis actual versus forecast, this is what percentage we've achieved. So I've got some DAX code written here with me, and all I'm saying is target achieved, and target achieved is, and then I'm saying actual divided by forecast, and I've rounded that off, and then I'm just giving the percentage. So I'll put that in and create a quick measure here. So I'll just go and say new measure, and I will put this here. So you can see the first one is text, and then I've got some calculation where all I'm doing is actual by targets, and then in the end I'm saying this is target achieved is this much percentage. So this will become clear as we go along. So I'll hit enter, and I've got this target achieved visual now. So in here I'll go back to the fields pane, and I'll replace actual with target achieved. And you can see it's just showing me the target achieved is 80.71%. And I could probably have this selected and change this. In place of percentage, I could just probably say % and hit enter. So it's a great way of, and it changes values as we go along. For example, as you can see on the right hand side, I've got multiple regions. So if I just select East, it shows that the target achieved is 116 points. So it's dynamic in a way. And I'll just add North, and it says it's 106%, and then I'll keep adding values. It's 93%, and then if I add the overall, let me select everything. So our overall target achieved is 80.71%, but it also is dynamic in the sense that as we change our filters, this value changes. So this has been just an example of the card visual, and it's a dynamic visual where you can add text and match that with numbers and do some other interesting stuff. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.